Hello YouTube. In this video, I will be unboxing the Ultimax 58mm professional 3-piece filter kit. Comes with 3 of them. You have the dark gray, the purple, and the clear color lens. Here's what it looks like with and without the filter. If you want to visit their website, here you go. If you're interested to check out their products for camera accessories. Here's the back. By the way, the package is damaged, but don't worry, I will recycle it. The case is included. It features a 3-piece HD digital filter kit, ultraviolet UV filter, circular polarizer CPL filter, and fluorescent FL/D filter, digital multi-coated high-quality HD optics, and includes a protective carrying case for all digital cameras and video camcorders, and lifetime warranty. Let's go ahead and open up. The case is absolutely amazing. It's a leather black design, really cool. And here are your lenses. All of them are in the plastic bag, so let me look at the back again. So this one is the ultraviolet. I'm not sure if this one is the circular polarizer, and I'm not sure if this is fluent, but I really can't remember. But anyway, let's peel the plastic so we can open them. Here it is. If I can see which one is this. It doesn't really show what type of lens kit this is, but I'm not 100% sure. I might have to figure it out myself. But here you go. This one's a little heavy. And here's the violet. Seems lightweight. And to put the filter on the camera lens, which in this case, this one is a kit lens from my Canon EOS 2000D. All you gotta do is screw it like so. There you go. That's how you do it. And if you want to change it or remove it, then you have to unscrew it. I was thinking that I thought you're supposed to push it, but I was wrong. So you had to like screw it and unscrew it. Oh God. Did I make this tight? I hope I don't break it. Hang on. My apologies. I thought this was stuck, but yeah, I managed to unscrew it. There you go. I got it out. And if I want to change to a different one, like this one, then I can screw it again. I got it in. And if I want to change it to a different one, then I can unscrew it. Okay. Pretty cool. Before I end the video, I want to give a big thank you to the Ultimax company for giving me all the accessories when I bought my very first DSLR camera, the Canon EOS Rebel T7/2000D. I bought it off from eBay, and when I got a package from FedEx, it included all the accessories, not just the filter kits, but also the tripod, the slave flash, and many more, as these accessories can be very useful for my photography. So yeah. This one, the big wallet, is the color filter kit, like the blue one, for example. While the other one, this wallet, this is the close-up filter kits, which they are very nice. By the way, if you want to see my unboxing video of these two accessories, the color filter kit and the other one, the close-up filter kit, I'll put the video link in the description down below. And for the final accessory for the filter kit is these three, as these are the professional ones. So yeah, very nice. Anyways, so that's my unboxing video of the Ultimax 58mm professional 3-piece filter kit. If you enjoyed that video, please leave a like, subscribe, and yes, I'll try to use these filter kits when I do my photography business. So yes, I'm definitely wanting to try that out. And with that said, and I'll see y'all next time.